checked our bags while we waited for the room. So this is the downstairs area where they take your bags for you, and this is where drop-off is. Right outside there. That's where Uber dropped us off. And then they hold bags for you, either there or ours were held in this doorway. And we are on the 5th floor. We got here at 11. We got here at 11 and they held our suitcases until 1 when our room was ready. You have to use the key to get upstairs. This is the 5th floor. Now we're headed to 513. We have a mobile key and they also gave us cards. We are at the Courtyard Marriott in downtown Fort Lauderdale, North Federal Highway. And we just arrived. We have a balcony, small couch, wonderful bed, some plugs, same plugs, and a desk area with the TV above it. It's a very large TV. Refrigerator.
Microwave.
And a microwave.
There are plugs over there.
Some plugs here also in the arm of the couch. Very updated.
This whole thing.
Some mirror here.
Oh, we can do both of ours on there. And yours.
And then the bathroom is nice. Lighted mirror. Large walk-in shower and toilet, as well as body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. This is very close to the port if you're going on a cruise, or also the airport in Fort Lauderdale. And we're about 30 minutes away from Miami. Property just overlooks the road. I'm not sure if that's North Federal or Sunrise. Two chairs there. Another chair and table here. And I look back at the room. Sunrise Boulevard and North Federal Highway is where we're at. Courtyard Marriott. Hotel's really new. Bar area. Thanks for watching our video.
Like and subscribe
To see what's next.